Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a flowchart in Lucidchart. To begin, open Lucidchart and go to the Documents area. This is where your files and diagram options are organized, so it's the right place to start whenever you want to create something new. Once you're on the Documents page, look for the New button and click it. This opens the menu for starting a fresh project. From that menu, choose Create from Template. Using a template is a quick and convenient way to build a flowchart, especially if you want a clean layout already prepared for you. It can save time and help you get started with a structure that's easy to customize. After the template gallery opens, click into the search area and type flowchart. This will narrow the available templates so you can quickly find the one that matches the type of diagram you want to make. When the results appear, click on flowchart. This selects the flowchart template category and lets you preview the option before opening it. Next, click Use Template. Lucidchart will create a new document based on that template and open it in the editor. At this point, your flowchart workspace is ready, and you can begin making changes directly on the canvas. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to edit your flowchart. In most cases, that means clicking into text boxes to replace placeholder text with your own process steps, updating shapes so they match your workflow, and adjusting connections between elements so the flow is clear and accurate. Take your time as you go through the template, since the goal is to make sure each part reflects the process you want to show. As you edit, keep the layout simple and easy to read. Make sure each shape leads clearly to the next one, and check that your labels are short and understandable. If the template includes sections you don't need, you can modify them within the editor as you work through the on-screen options. This helps keep the final flowchart focused and professional. Once you've completed the edits, review the overall diagram to confirm everything is in the correct order and visually clear. A well-organized flowchart is easier for others to follow, whether you're using it for planning, documentation, or presentations. That's it. You've now created a flowchart in Lucidchart using a template and customized it by following the built-in editing process.